Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Axiom Trade, full beginner guide. Getting started with Axiom Trade is simpler than it looks. First, head to the official Axiom Trade website, click sign up. You can register with your email, Google, or Phantom account. Just fill in your basic details, set a secure password, and complete account verification by uploading your KYC documents. Once your profile is approved, you're ready to explore the platform. At the top menu, you'll find features like trackers, perpetuals, yields, portfolios, and wallets, giving you full control of your trading journey. To begin trading, simply go to deposit option, fund your account through QR code or payment methods, and you're all set. From there, you can open trades, convert assets, and even explore reward programs. And remember, Axiom Trade offers plenty of in platform tutorials to guide you every step of the way. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.